More of a funnel now. Oh, now we're getting a cone.
Got a tornado directly in front of us.
Oh man, chaser convergence.
About to be fully condensed.
And it's almost there.
Minneapolis, Kansas, not Minnesota.
Driving through Minneapolis, Kansas. We're about to. Then towards the Tornado Warned Supercell that's southwest of here.
Nice. CG after CG.
Oh man, we got sirens. Sirens, tornado sirens. Can you see anything over there?
I can start to see like the side view right there. Looks like a vertical bomb.
It's good.
I agree. There we go.
Yeah, that looks good.
Still a ton of CGs around us. I think it's about to start doing that here. Now that it's done with those mergers and just looking at the coupling now. Look at this dude. That's...
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we need to give this guy some space. It's a little too.
What's this developing right here? See how there's this much lower nub right here?
Yeah. I don't know, but it kind of looks like this somewhere in this area here is where the wall cloud should develop directly in front of us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this wood should be right there where the wall cloud should start to develop over here to the left. Just doesn't got one yet.
Just not liking what I'm seeing already.
CG. Nice. Oh, there we go. Well, that's definitely a wall cloud in the blue over there now.
Get down to this road down here. We're good. free. We're home free.
Go. It's got a nice looking wall cloud now. We just blew like 30 minutes or maybe 40 minutes, like trying to catch back up to the storm because we got caught in chaser convergence, and here we are, caught again.
Why didn't you just turn? Alright, right after this SUV, turn truck. Next person turn.
Look at that. Oh man, chaser convergence. There are so many cars behind us, so many cars in front of us. I mean, we saw like millions of cars, millions.
It might seem like millions at times.
That looks like a honest to goodness supercell.
Sure does. Why don't you give us some little stupid 2-second tornado like that other storm did on CG?
Dr. Miller, I think they turned.
Wall cloud's looking interesting.
So he must have tried to get close, and then that was all she wrote, and it didn't produce.
Super pretty, but aka cold front. Lots of deep moisture, really good lapse rates.
if that's just rain or what. There's a lot of rain coming down. There's a ton of rain wrapping around it now. Straight in front of us.
That's as tight as you get right there.
Come on, dude, what's that other storm did?
Yeah, the strong rotation directly in front of us. That like bullish looking lowering thing, that's rotating pretty well.
Got a tornado directly in front of us, 5:09 p.m. A little vorticey spin up.
Oh, that's one of the dents.
That's what I'm saying.
That's kind of really wrapping up right here really fast in front of us here. Let's make sure we don't get under it. Let's get real tight right here. Where are you gonna do it? It's a pretty good rotation right there, just slightly right of the road.
Yeah, it's really fast rotation right there
I'm looking over
on
here.
that little thing.
Oh,
That looks like a cone.
yeah, I think it is. I think I just saw it go down too.
That's really fast rotation right there
I'm looking over
on
here.
that little thing.
Oh,
That looks like a cone.
yeah, I think it is. I think I just saw it go down too.
Yeah, that's rapidly rotating.
Looks like a cone.
Yeah, I think it is. I think I just saw it go down too.
Yeah, that's rapidly rotating. Yep. That's a cone. Still have rotation over my shoulder to the left. Probably safe to roll down your window.
No, dude, this is it. It's becoming a rope. It's becoming a nice cone. It's right there. Right there, dude.
Nice.
See it?
Oh, on your
Right there.
camera. Yeah, I
Yep, see it right there.
Yeah. We're about to turn these here tonight, so we're getting close to it.
All right.
To the bowl now.
Right about the trees at the moment. Oh, coming a nice bowl. Oh, there's no way that's not. It's about to. If it's not already down, it's about to be.
Okay. We're about to turn east here in a minute, so we're gonna get close to it. 5:25 p.m. Blue Rapids, Kansas.
she is still. Boom, there we go.
Alright, we're turning right.
Oh, more of a funnel now. Oh, now we're getting the cone.
Alright, we're about to turn towards it.
Okay.
We're turning back to the left here in a second.
I can't roll my window there. Oh, more of a funnel now. Oh, now we're getting the cone.
Alright, we're about to turn towards it.
Okay.
Oof. Right in front of us, right in front of us. There we go.
There we go. About to be fully condensed. There we go. About to be fully condensed.
And it's almost there.
How zoomed in are you, so I need to know?
I'm just partially zoomed in. I'm not zoomed in very far at all.
Okay.
I've got basically the base and the base of it and the ground.
Okay.
I'm gonna zoom out a little bit more here.
There we go. Nice.
Nice cone. Debris cloud and everything.
Can I? Nope. I won't be able to. Oh, come on, don't dissipate now on us.
It's all the way down. Yeah, just keep us okay here. Still there. tail cloud racing.
I was about to say, you can see those bands feeding in over there.
Yeah.
About to say, if this guy gets sloppy, then we need to stay out ahead and keep that other one in as an option, because that might be the next one to start pumping them out.